I got a chicken from Santa.
Yep. What's the chicken's name?
Oh,
James.
James
Where did you first see this chicken?
at Jamestown.
And did you buy him when you were there?
No, Santa gave it to me.
Oh,
He gave me the exact same one with the pink tail and
Cool.
the purple.
pink and purple tail.
Yep,
All right. What else did you get?
I got. Ah! Paper fell out. What? The paper all fell out? A sketchbook.
Okay.
Sorry, it fell all out.
Mm-hmm.
And a cowboy hat. Howdy, Turner.
Howdy.
Another hat from Sister Donovan.
Yep.
This from Russia.
Who's in Russia?
Oh, who's in Russia? Grandma Crixton. I mean, Grandma Watson.
Oh.
I did that. I got this from Sadie. It's really cool.
Hold it up so we can see it.
See that? There. Moo.
Moo. Yes, impressive. Very good.
Now can we see the movie? Wait, no.
All right, show us one more thing.
But I have and the music book.
Oh, who's that from?
Rachel.
Rachel. All right, thanks.